Come bushwhacking with Chris and me in search of the Greenleaf Trail.
All right, peeps, you ready for some fun?
We had fun. Don't let his tone of voice follow you. We didn't. One of us had fun. There's beer afterwards.
No.
Unless he's not having beer.
Root beer. Dude, if I have a beer, I'm gonna end up crashing. When I say crash, I mean falling asleep. Oh, dude. Do not like that. There's a big hole there that I do not like. What?
Better traveling over here. About 50.
So Chris and I decided that we were going to do some map and compass work. And the best way to do that is to get off trail. So that's what we're doing. Bushwhacking. Very, oh wait, whoa. Very acrobatic of you, that was.
I just walked over it.
That works. Oh, fuck me. Oh yeah, see, you're a bit taller than I can't. That's a place where I can't. That was fun.
Yes, it was.
Yes, I will look back at this when we get back to the car and say, damn, that was fun. Can't hear you. All right, peeps. I need both hands. I should have brought my chesty. That would have been smart. Hey! Oh. What?
Bike trail.
Sweet. Yeehaw! Whoop. Oh! Shit! Oh! Found a hole. How the hell do I get up? Oh yeah. Shit. Can't hear ya. All I can hear is talk. Of course, I probably went the wrong way. Hole, found a hole. Bitch. What? Good. I will say I am now having fun. Cramp, 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 cramp. Said you found a trail marker? What?
Trail marker? It points exactly which way to the top.
Yeah, maybe.
Huh?
Said, how do you know?
I'm pretty sure that's the way to the top.
I have a feeling this may be... Oh, no, because I'm thinking to myself, hey, look, the trail, bike trail. Bike path.
What, did you think I was making it up?
No, no. I knew you weren't. I just thought I'd point it out. All right.
I'm going to film the freaking trail marker.
Oh.
People aren't going to have a clue what I'm talking about. Clearly points which way is up to the top.
All right. So Chris says that rock points to the top. I think he means to the top of that bigger rock, though. Yeah, probably. All right, people, when you watch what little of this video there is, don't forget to take your Dramamine. Oi. Oh, hey, hoi. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Hey. See, my hip doesn't hurt, my legs don't really hurt. Yeehaw, I made it.
You got to get back to the cars.
What?
You still got to get back to the cars.
Yeah, well, like, yeah. Dude, look, we did nothing.
Huh?
Look, we accomplished nothing.
I was going to say, can you do some terrain association to figure out where we are?
Yeah. We're 1,000 feet from where we started.